The perimeters of triangle EFG and triangle ABC are similar. The perimeter of triangle EFG is 150. Calculate the missing side lengths of triangle EFG. Let's find the sides of triangle EFG. Remember, the perimeter of a triangle is the sum of all its sides. Let's plug in the values and solve to find the perimeter. And there we have the triangle's perimeter. According to the data, we have similar triangles. So, the perimeter's ratio matches the similarity ratio. Now, let's substitute the values and solve for x. And there it is. That's the value of x. Remember, in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal.